Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Thompson here with your Fluency Option 2 today. And this is our group counting. And so we are familiar with this. So remember, thumbs up means I'm going down. Up. Thumbs down means I'm going down. And this, of course, means stop. All right, are we ready? Okay, we are going to start by counting by threes. And we're going to 30 today, going forward and backwards. Please watch my hands. Ready and go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Awesome work. Now we are counting by fours, and we are going to go to 24. Are you ready? Ready and go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 12, 8, 4. Excellent work, boys and girls. Have a great day.